Welcome to fruiSCE Manufacturing Execution System. Let us see the report operations. To begin, access the application. System will navigate to the home page. Go to Production menu. Click on Report Operations submenu. System will navigate to the Report Operations screen. Header table displays order details, and lines table displays operations. Let us see Report Operations process. Click on Order ID. It will navigate to Report Operations Edit screen. Header shows Production Order ID, line number, item code, item description, order quantity, customer ID name, reference Production Order ID, manufacturing lead time, planned start date, planned end date, planned time, actual start and end date, actual time and order status details displayed in Production Order Details form. In Report Operation lines, by click on Edit option Task Timings, can be updated before starting the task. Sequence of tasks displayed in table. Task details like operations, task ID name, plan dates, setup time, run time, wait time, queue time, operation lead time, unit of measure and count point details displayed from routing. Area name, work center, machine automatically displayed base task. Click on table icon to view stage active run time. Click on employee icon to view employee utilized details in this stage. Table displays default active employee working in the stage. Select inactive employee to view employee details whoever earlier worked. Select all to view both active and inactive employee details. Employee details can also be added in this report operations screen by select the employee, providing start date and time, and click on employee start to record the employee work details in this stage, and click employee stop to record the employee stop date. Once employee stop date recorded, automatically employee moved to inactive state. System will calculate theoretical work time based on start date and stop date. Break time displayed based on plant shift break times. Actual work time displayed based on theoretical work time and break time. Enter manager notes against the stage. Automatically saved. Click on Close Employee pop window. Actual task date is recorded as first employee start date. Click on Task Hold to hold the stage. Click on Task Complete to record actual end date. Thank you for choosing fruiSCE.